Hey guys, this is Melanie the Peace Puppy and Sweetheart the Love Puppy. Oh yeah. The Love Puppy, which I got on Christmas. And Clover the Clover Puppy. Yeah. And today I just got a YouTube account. And this is my username. If you're going to look for my video, because this is my first video on YouTube. And I just got my YouTube account. And this is going to be the video I made. So, my username, I can't remember what it is, but I think it's, luck, love, and peace. It doesn't have this, but it has luck, love, peace, 93. So that's my username. And if you want to see some more videos, you're gonna have to look, because I'm gonna send this to YouTube, because I have to send it to it and get it on my account. But yeah, so please comment, rate, and subscribe for this. I hope you like my videos on my YouTube account. So yeah, boom. And yeah, so let's get that together. Let's get together. I mean,